And Nigeria's Monetary Policy Committee kept the benchmark rate unchanged at 27.5%. Governor Olami Kado, who said that hold is meant to sustain the momentum of disinflation after an aggressive tightening cycle. Now, the pause follows January's overall of the consumer price index, which prompted authorities to wait for clearer inflation signals. Headline inflation eased to its lowest since early 2023, yet monthly inflation accelerated to 2.1%. Showing sticky underlying pressure with real rates still deeply negative. The MPC argues a steady stance gives time to assess whether the recent disinflation trend is durable or merely statistical noise from the CPI rebasing. Cardoso warned that continued global uncertainties, notably the US-China tariff war and wider geopolitical tensions, could squeeze supply chains and lift import prices for Nigeria's fuel and food staples. The committee will keep policy tight until risks to inflation recede sufficiently, signaling readiness to resume hikes if price shocks materialize, while buying time to gauge how external headwinds feed into domestic costs and growth. And for more on this, our correspondent Louisa Ulani has a report for us from Lagos, Nigeria.
Nigeria's central bank has kept its monetary policy rate unchanged at 27.5%, marking the third straight hold in 2025. The CBN governor reaffirmed the bank's tough stance, insisting rates will remain high until inflation shows consistent decline. While this reflects a strategy to balance economic stability and growth, for everyday Nigerians, this means borrowing remains expensive, putting more pressure on small businesses and households already battling high food, transport and rent costs. While the CBN hopes this disciplined approach will eventually return inflation to single digits, many analysts warn that inflation remains firmly in control and monetary tightening alone won't fix what is broken. Without real fiscal reform, exchange rate stability and urgent action on food supply chains, high interest rates risk doing more harm than good. From Lagos, Nigeria, Louisa Olani, WION, World is One.